I discussed the topic of carbohydrate chemistry. So main topic, difference between dietary fiber and resistant starch. Dietary fiber, what is dietary fiber? Dietary fiber are found naturally in the plants that we eat. They are the part of the plant. They do not break down in our stomach, and instead they are the passed from digestive system undigestedly. Dietary fiber contains two types. One type water soluble and another হচ্ছে water insoluble. Water soluble means হচ্ছে soluble dietary fiber. Soluble dietary fiber dissolve in water and gastrointestinal fluids when they enter the stomach and intestine. They are transformed in jelly-like substance which is then digested by bacteria in large intestine. Or water insoluble fiber, they do not dissolve water and gastrointestinal fluid, and then unchanged they move the digestive tract, and because non-digested all. Soluble dietary fibers having pectin, gums, and mucilage. The soluble dietary fiber, pectin is a cell wall component of plant. Pectin having D-galactoronic acid are the principal component, means main component of pectiner main component, which যেটি কনভার্টেড হয় জাইলুলোজ বা জাইলিটল বা গ্লিসারল which যেটি converted gums is the not cell wall component. Gums secreted at the site of plant injury by the specialized secretory cells such as sewage extract. Then mucilage not cell wall component, the hydrophilic. This component is hydrophilic, means pectin is a cell wall component and gums and mucilage not cell wall component. So insoluble dietary fibers contains রয়েছে cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. Cellulose component of plant cell wall component. Cellulose unbranched linear chain of several glucose units having রয়েছে beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. This component non-digestible by human GI tract. This component digested in the cow. Cellulose only made up of glucose or hemicellulose is a cell wall polysaccharide. Cellulose plant cell wall আর hemicellulose cell wall polysaccharide means হচ্ছে not only glucose, others component involve beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage having differ from cellulose. So smaller in size, contains variety of sugar variety. Glucose having the unbranched, but hemicellulose having branched, contains mostly xylulose and galactose, mannose, arabinose and variety of sugar. Lignin non-carbohydrate cell wall component, complex cross-linked phenol propane polymer, resist bacterial degradation. এটা হচ্ছে উডি প্ল্যান্ট হ্যাভিং resistant starch is considered as the third type of dietary fiber, and it has property of soluble fiber and some insoluble fiber. Having some soluble fiber প্রপার্টি অ্যান্ড সাম হচ্ছে ইনসলভেবল ফাইবার প্রপার্টি। স্টার্চ that escape digestion in the smaller intestine that is fermented in the large intestine by the bacteria through. তো starch not digested in small intestine, fermented in large intestine and formed the short chain fatty acid, mainly হচ্ছে বিউটারেট। বিউটারেট ফাংশন fuel for the colonic bacteria and cells that line of colon.